Hello everyone, this is Dr. Muhammad Ibrar. Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to explain the steps that how you can merge the data from different columns into one column. Let's suppose we have a data here, and in the first column we have a titles, in the second column we have the first name, in the second column, third column we have the last names. But we want to merge these names into a one column. So you can do it by using one simple concatenate formula. So here I'm going to apply a formula. So just write is equal to concatenate, then select the first cell, that is, then comma, then space, then double colon, space, double comma, then select the second cell, again comma, space, double comma, space, double comma, then select the next one and close the bracket and then press enter. Now you can see the complete name is came in one cell. Previously it was in three different cells. So just drag this to the down and you will get your all names in one column. That's so simple. Thank you for watching, and share and like this video and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.